Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you trying to print something important but nothing works? Due to paper jams, your HP printer starts making weird noises. Paper jams are one of the most common printer issues, and the good news is you can fix them yourself in just a few simple steps. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what to check, where to look, and how to safely remove that stuck paper without damaging your printer. Stick around because by the end of this video, your HP printer will be back to printing smoothly again. First, head over to your printer's paper tray and pull out all the papers. Just clear everything out so we can take a proper look. If you spot any sheet that's stuck, go ahead and grab it firmly. Try to pull it out slowly. Alright, now move over to the input tray area. Take a quick look there too and make sure nothing is jammed or crumpled inside. Once that's done, it's also a good idea to flip your printer around and check underneath. Sometimes jam hide in places we don't expect. Carefully turn your printer upside down and open the little cover at the bottom and take a closer look. If you find any piece of paper stuck in there, just gently pull it out.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.